Good morning, class. In the previous lesson, we have learned about human body, the skeletal system. We have learned that skeletal system functions as the basic framework of a body, and we have 206 bones. If you don't have a skeleton, we would be like a puppet. We have learned about the structure of bones, that they are hard outside but soft inside. The center of the bone is soft and spongy, contains a substance called bone marrow. The bone marrow has presence of many blood cells and it is made up of calcium and phosphorus. Now today we are going to learn about the functions. The main function of the skeletal system is to give shape. It gives body the support. It allows body to move. It protects the major organs, and it also helps in producing red and white blood cells. The different parts of the skeletal system are: the skeleton has 5 major parts now: the skull, backbone, rib cage, the bones in the arms and legs, and the girdles. Now today we'll be learning about 2 important major parts, that is the skull and the backbone. Now as you see over here, the skull protects the brain. It also protects sense organs like the eyes, ears, and nose. The adult human skull is made up of 22 bones, 8 large flat bones from the cranium and 14 bones from the face. You have the cranium over here on top and 14 bones from the face. The only part of the skull that is movable is the lower jaw. That's why we've been able to talk and eat. The lower jaw. Alright? So the skull protects the brain. It also protects the sense organs. We have 22 bones. Alright? So the only part of the skull that is movable is the lower jaw. Next, we have the backbone or spine. Touch your back. You know where your backbone is? Put your hand at the back. Alright, you can feel the backbone. So the backbone or the spine extends from the base of the skull to the lower region of the back. So it extends from the base of the skull over here to the lower region of the back. The backbone is made up of 33 bones. So you can count over here. They are made up of 33 bones called the vertebrae. Together, they form a column known as vertebral column. So there are 33 bones known as vertebrae. Together, they form a column called as vertebral column. The backbone or the spine. The spine that is present over inside the vertebrae, there is spine. The spine protects that you have the outside portion, the outside portion is the spine. The spine protects, you have the spinal cord inside, which is a bundle of messages that send messages. Like the red one is sending messages. Alright, so you have a bundle of nerves inside the spinal cord that sends messages from brain to the different parts of the body. The spine helps to twist and blend as well as hold our body upright. The spine plays a very important role, and inside the spine there is spinal cord, which has bundle of nerves that helps to send messages from the brain to the different parts of the body. So class, today we have learned about the functions of the skeletal system. We have also learned about the 5 major parts. We have learned that the skull protects the brain. It also protects sense organs. There are 22 bones in the human skull. The only part of the skull that is movable is the lower jaw. The backbone of the spine extends from the base of the skull to the lower region of the back. There are 33 bones known as vertebrae. Together they form a vertebral column. The backbone of the spine has a delicate organ, that is delicate cord, that is the spinal cord that is present inside the spine, which has bundle of nerves that sends messages from the brain to different parts of the body. So class, this is all we are going to learn for today.